Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can do the AI anime filter on TikTok that's trending right now. So let's get started. All you have to do is make sure that you've already downloaded FacePlay app and CapCut. So go on ahead and open FacePlay. And here you can just choose whatever template you want to use. For example, I'm just going to choose this one. You also have to make sure that it's free. So just tap on free to use. And here you can either take a picture using your camera right now or choose from your album. Just gonna choose from my album and I'm gonna pick this picture right here. Tap on confirm. And it may take a while before it's already done fixing up your picture, so you just have to wait. And once it's done, it's just going to show you the finished product. Just tap on save. And then exit FacePlay and open up your TikTok. You'd want to search AI-anime filter CapCut. And here just choose any video you want to copy. I'm just going to choose this one and tap on CapCut, try this template, and use template in CapCut. And it will automatically open CapCut, so just tap on the use template on the lower right. Go to photos. And as you can see, it requires 3 clips. So first choose your original photo and then the edited one and then your original photo again. Once you're done, just tap on preview. And that should do the trick. Just tap on export. Tap on save and share to TikTok without the CapCut watermark. Wait for it to export and this should automatically lead you to TikTok so you can start posting your video. Thank you very much guys for watching and we will see you in the next video.